Hello students, here I am back with my lecture on chapter 3 Civics of class 7, How the State Government Works. In my previous lecture, you have learnt about how the state legislature works, what are the features of Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council. Today you are going to learn about the people who implement the laws made by the legislature. So here I begin. We are going to learn about executive. Executive are people who execute the laws. Execute means to implement the laws. The executive at the state level consists of the governor, chief minister, and the council of ministers. The governor, let's learn about him or her first. The governor is the head of the state. President is the head of the country, whereas the governor is the head of a particular state, and all these states are having one governor each. The main function of executive is to implement the laws. This is supervised by the chief minister along with the council of ministers. That is why the governor is known as the nominal head of the state. Main power lies in the hand of chief minister. A governor is appointed by the President of India. He or she holds the office for 5 years. However, he or she, that means the governor, can be removed by the president even before the completion of the term. What are the functions of the governor? Appoints the chief minister, council of ministers, and other important officials, along with the member of the State Public Service Commission, that means civil servant. A governor addresses the first session of the Legislative Assembly, approves the bills passed by the state legislature. All the bills required the signature of the governor. Issues ordinance equivalent to laws in case this legislature is not in session. He or she also forgives and reduces the punishment of the people imprisoned in accordance with the state laws. Let's learn about Chief Minister and the Council of Ministers. After the assembly election, the party with the highest number of elected MLAs in the Legislative Assembly, or we can also say that the party with majority votes or majority seats in the State Legislative Assembly, forms the government and becomes the ruling party. The leader of the ruling party is then appointed as the chief minister by the governor. The governor appoints the council of ministers on the recommendation of the chief minister. What are the powers and functions of the chief minister? Let's learn about it. He or she is the head of the Council of Ministers, also acts as a link between the governor and the Council of Ministers, acts as the chief architect of the policies of the state government, allocate separate departments to the Council of Ministers, coordinates and supervises the functioning of the entire ministry. Powers and functions of the Council of Ministers. Council of Ministers aids and advises the governor, introduces appropriate proposals of laws or bills in the state legislature and gets them approved. The term of Chief Minister and Council of Ministers is of 5 years. Chief Minister and Council of Ministers remain in power as long as they enjoy the faith of the state legislature. If loses the faith, the entire ministry is bound to resign immediately, even before the completion of their term. Working of the government. Especially we are going to learn about state government here, how it works. The Legislative Assembly is not only the place where opinions are expressed, but also it is a place where action is demanded. There are various departments in the state government, like the Public Works Department, the Agriculture Department, the Health Department, Education Department, and many more. They also have to answer questions that are asked in the Legislative Assembly and convince people asking the questions that proper steps are being taken. Newspapers, TV channels, and other organizations regularly talking about the government. In a democracy, there are various ways through which people expresses their views and also take action. At the same time, newspapers and media widely discusses the issues. If you are a regular viewer of news channels, you will be understanding this concept. News channels, media, newspapers, they discusses many issues and the government has to respond by holding the press conference. Here is a task for you people. Find out the names of the governor and chief minister of your state. I hope this chapter is clear to you. Thank you very much.